Stop scrolling if you want to earn daily income from Binance without being a pro trader. In this video, I'll teach you how to make $10 per day using spot trading, even with zero experience. And listen carefully. If you want to start for free, I'm giving away free crypto trading signals via WhatsApp and a special sign-up link that gives you free rebate dollars to start trading. I'll explain everything by the end of this video, so don't skip a second. First, what is spot trading? It's the safest way to trade crypto. You simply buy a coin at a low price and sell it at a higher price. No margin, no liquidation, no stress. And in 2025, with the right strategy, you can easily earn $5 to $10 a day, even if you're starting with just $50 to $100. To start making daily profits, here's what you need. 1. A Binance account. Use the link in the description and you'll get free rebate dollars after signing up. 2. A small amount of capital. Even $50 is enough. And 3. Access to daily crypto signals. I send them in my WhatsApp group completely free. The join link is in the description. You don't need to learn technical analysis or indicators, just copy, paste, and trade. Here's how simple it is to follow a signal. Let's say I post this in the WhatsApp group. Buy AVAX at $30. Target 32.5. Stop loss 28.9. All you need to do is open Binance, search AVAX, place your buy order at $30, and set your target and stop loss. That's it. If the price hits 32.5, you close the trade with about 8% profit. That's around $8 on a $100 trade. And that's just one signal. 2 trades like that a day, and you've hit your $10 goal. Now you might ask, which coins should I trade? In 2025, the best coins for daily spot trading are Solana, BNB, SEI, Injective, and Chainlink. They move fast, have strong liquidity, and offer great short-term profits. And the best time to trade? Between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. GMT during the London and New York market sessions. Now let's talk about safety. Even in spot trading, risk management is key. Never use your entire balance in one trade. Only use 20 to 30% per trade. Always follow the stop loss. And when the target hits, take profit. Don't get greedy. This simple discipline will help you grow your account steadily without stress and without losses. Now, as promised, here's how to join my free signal group and claim your free rebate bonus. Click the first link in the description to sign up on Binance. You'll get free rebate dollars that reduce your trading fees or can even be used for extra balance. Then, click the second link to join my WhatsApp signal group. You'll get 2 to 3 daily spot trading signals with exact entry prices, targets, and stop losses. No hidden fees, no paid courses, just real signals and real results. So what are you waiting for? Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Comment below if you want a full Binance tutorial in Urdu, Hindi, or English. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto earning methods in 2025. And remember, the free rebate link and WhatsApp signals link are both waiting for you in the description right now.